Andy Buckworth, and this is my bike. I'm running the free agent Daniel Sandoval frame, 20.5 length. I got the profile top load stem with an Odyssey GTXR gyro detangular. I got these Odyssey 25 offset R25 forks, profile mini on the front, laced to some tie spokes and an Alienation deviant rim, Tioga power block tires. Up here I got some Demolition Dennis Anderson handlebars, an Odyssey module lever. Best grips in the business, ODI long necks. Down to the cranks, I got these profile column cranks, 22mm tie spindle, 30 tooth profile sprocket, profile mini on the back with a tie driver, KMC cool light chain, Odyssey Evolution brakes, dual cable all the way up to the lever. Moving to the back wheel, again tie spokes. I got a G Sport birdcage rim and a power block Tioga tire.
Oh my God.